Another hot tip is around subscribers. Before we get in the real actual flow of the 5-day challenge here, I also want you to start thinking about how to get more subscribers. And when you get to this point, I'm going to show you this tip that's going to actually, when you promote your video, maybe send out emails to friends, family, business people you do business with, they'll help you with your subscribers on YouTube. And subscribers are important. These are your loyal fans. They are important for your early channel growth, especially if you're starting from nothing. These early subscribers help build your channel. If you want to use YouTube for the partner program or monetization, you need a certain amount of YouTube subscribers. You need 1,000 to qualify for YouTube monetization. In addition, and there's some other factors too, but in addition, you need 4,000 hours watched on YouTube within 1 year for you to be also qualified for monetization. You need both. And your subscribers will watch more of your videos, more time or hours of your videos. So, they kind of work together hand in hand. So more subscribers, especially for new channels, can be very, very important. Plus, YouTube rewards channels with more subscribers. I mean, think about it. If somebody had 1 million subs or 1 million subscribers versus somebody else who had 20 subscribers, who do you think YouTube might push their video out to more people? Who's the more proven success there? So that does not mean a small channel or somebody with 0 subscribers can't get started. Not at all. Just saying that if you have more subscribers, that certainly is an advantage. Plus, there's other metrics that YouTube uses to help, again, recommend videos or promote channels or things within the algorithm. And one of them is, for example, like minutes watched, how many total minutes watched. And again, subs or subscribers help build those. Those are your loyal fans. They're going to watch more of your content. So here's my number one, really works well, hot tip to get more subscribers. And the idea is when you promote your channel homepage, where you have maybe your video, your first video, and then you'll have multiple videos that all be on your channel homepage. When you promote that and send out that link to other people to come visit your channel homepage, you want to adjust your link format. And you want it to look, not like this, the first top one there. See that one from my channel, Investing Education with Mr. B? You want it to look like the one below it, as far as the link and what it would look. And you kind of manually want to kind of change that link. You see the slight difference there where it says channel instead of the letter C there in the middle of that link. And you want to test everything, of course, before you send it out. But if you click on the one above, you're just going to get to my channel homepage, which is fine. But if you click the one below, and that's what you want to send out, you're going to have a pop-up, and when somebody lands there in their channel, it's going to say this: confirm channel subscription. Are you sure you want to subscribe to Investing Education with Mr. B or whatever your channel name is? And they can either cancel that, and if they cancel that, they're just going to get right to your regular channel homepage as well. It's not going to take them somewhere else or anything. They'll be able to get at your channel homepage. But if they're like, oh, okay, I'll subscribe, then they'll hit the subscribe button. Boom, you just got a new subscriber. It's hard to get subscribers. So just a little tip like this can be very, very helpful. Again, they get to choose whether they want to hit that cancel button or hit that subscribe button, but it's a way of popping up and putting it right there in front of them to make that decision. And I tell you, I used this technique right when I first started my YouTube channel. It made all the difference. I mean, I got subscribers a lot faster than normal YouTube channels do. Most YouTube channels, that's one of the big struggles really on, is just getting any subscribers. And I found this technique as I then shared it with people I know and business people and businesses I dealt with or customers or students or whomever. I'm sharing it out to the world. Sharing it in that file format, that link format, really made all the difference. And again, before you send anything out, do test it to make sure it's showing the way that you want it to do.